All right, so Chinese radicals, let's dive right into this. So the whole point of doing a discussion on Chinese radicals is to hopefully help break down the Great Wall of China. Well, not literally, hopefully no one does that, but well, more like breaking down the Great Wall of Chinese, right? And we get it, Chinese characters, they aren't the easiest things to learn, but the whole idea is to make it simpler by identifying patterns to do with characters, so we can understand how they work better, and through that we can probably better recognize, and we can write characters easier. So some of these patterns that we've talked about, depending on which, if you've watched these videos before, Chinese stroke order, and also character components. And another pattern that we're going to talk about today is radicals. So what are radicals? Right? Radicals are semantic or phonetic components of a Chinese character. Semantic meaning phonetic sound. And most radicals are semantic, so they give you a clue as to what the character means. And for example, fa, this little bit over here is called 头发头. The radical is called 头发头. So it means the grass flower head, literally. So most characters that have this particular radical are to do with plants. So you can use that as a clue to guess or remember what a character means and how it's written. This is actually the original character, and then it's abbreviated to this as a radical. And this is just pronounced 头. And the radical, as I've just mentioned, is called 头发头in Cantonese. And other radicals, excuse me, they could be phonetic. For example, 靠, this means uncle. The sound actually derives from the radical here, which is pronounced 靠. Okay. And the reason why it's worth actually investing a bit of time understanding what radicals are and learning some of the basic ones is because, in total, in one of the most authoritative dictionaries of Chinese, the Honghei Jilin, there are only 214 radicals for Lord knows how many characters. And it's a really, really good, I think, investment on time to learn these. And, well, maybe not 214. Some of them you probably never have to use, but maybe like the top 20 to 30 and maybe even 50, that would be very helpful. So in this, that's all right. We're going to go through 100 of the most common radicals, as well as some examples to show you guys how Chinese isn't actually as difficult as some people think. Chinese characters, that is. Right. So that's it for this video. We're going to continue in the next video and a series of videos talking about different radicals. Right. So that's it today and for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.